Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting lineup of cordless leaf blowers to review and help you find the perfect tool for your lawn care needs. We'll be discussing the features, performance, and overall value of each blower so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're tackling leaves, snow, or dust, these cordless options offer convenience and power. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Snapfresh Cordless Leaf Blower. The Snapfresh Leaf Blower is a powerful and efficient cordless blower that will make your lawn care tasks a breeze. With its 20V battery and included charger, you'll have the freedom to move around without being tethered to an outlet. Whether you need to blow leaves, snow, or dust, this versatile blower has got you covered. Its lightweight design. Weighing in at just a few pounds, this blower is incredibly easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended use. You can comfortably hold it for longer periods without straining your arm. With a 20V battery, the Snapfresh Leaf Blower delivers consistent power and performance. Here are some pros. Lightweight design, cordless convenience, powerful performance, includes battery and charger. Cons. Battery life may be shorter compared to higher voltage options. Number 2. Ego Power Cordless Leaf Blower. This is a high-performance cordless leaf blower that offers exceptional power and versatility. Powered by a 56-volt battery, this blower delivers impressive blowing force to tackle even the toughest debris. With its 3-speed turbo function, you can adjust the power to suit your needs. The handle is comfortable to hold and provides a secure grip, allowing for precise control and reduced strain on your hand and arm. You can easily maneuver the blower around your yard without feeling fatigued. With a 2.5Ah battery, this leaf blower provides ample runtime for most yard tasks. The included charger ensures that you can quickly recharge the battery whenever needed. Plus, the cordless design gives you the freedom to move around without being restricted by cords or cables. Here are some pros. Powerful performance, ergonomic design, adjustable speed settings, includes battery and charger. Cons. Slightly heavier than some other models. Number 3. Lawnmaster Cordless Leaf Blower. The Lawnmaster Cordless Leaf Blower is a reliable and efficient tool for your lawn care needs. With its 40V battery and lightweight design, this blower offers excellent performance while being easy to handle. Its powerful blowing capacity. With a maximum airspeed of insert airspeed, it can quickly clear leaves, debris, and even light snow from your yard. This blower is versatile enough to handle various tasks throughout the year. The lightweight design of this leaf blower makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. You can easily maneuver it around your yard without straining your arm or shoulder. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, ensuring that you have full control while operating the blower. Here are some pros. Powerful blowing capacity, lightweight design, versatile for various tasks, includes a battery and a quick charger. Cons. May not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Number 4. PowerSmart 40V Cordless Leaf Blower. This cordless leaf blower is a reliable and efficient tool that will help you maintain a clean and tidy outdoor space. Powered by a 4.0Ah battery, this blower offers excellent blowing performance and impressive battery life. The PowerSmart 40V cordless leaf blower is its variable speed control. With this feature, you can adjust the blowing force according to your specific needs. Whether you're clearing leaves from your patio or blowing debris from your driveway, you can customize the power level for optimal results. The lightweight design of this leaf blower makes it easy to maneuver and carry around your yard. You won't experience arm fatigue even during longer use sessions. The comfortable handle provides a secure grip, allowing for precise control and effortless operation. Here are some pros. Variable speed control, lightweight design, impressive battery life, includes battery and charger. Cons. May not be suitable for heavy debris or wet leaves. Number 5. Samurai Cordless Leaf Blower. The Samurai Cordless Leaf Blower is a versatile and powerful tool that will make your lawn maintenance a breeze. With its brushless motor and impressive blowing capacity, this blower is perfect for clearing leaves, dust, and debris from your lawn, yard, or garden. With a maximum airflow of 500 cfm, this leaf blower can quickly clear large areas in no time. Whether you have a small backyard or a spacious garden, you'll appreciate the speed and efficiency of this blower. It can handle both dry and wet debris effectively. Here are some pros. Powerful brushless motor, impressive blowing capacity, lightweight design, includes two 4.0Ah batteries and a charger. Cons. May not be as suitable for heavy snow blowing. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.